What's going on, groomies? We back with another. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back. Let's get it started. All right, here we got the Giggle Gas Pheno #1 from Soulfire Gardens. Yeah, she's looking insane. She is popping. She is popping. Look how healthy she looks. Give her a super light feed. Super duper light feed. Just worm castings. I got the Organic Roots nutrient line, and I just used the I think it's like 700, I don't know, but you know what I'm saying, just a little bit of nitrogen, very little, like 1 scoop. Organic Roots, shouts out to them. Yeah, man, this shit looks nice. Everything in this circular container looks nice. Well, the bottom's open, so it's not super contained, if you get my drift. But look at the zinnias. Damn. That mint's doing nice. Everything's looking nice. No bugs. No bugs at all, man. The stock's looking cool. There's a lot of growth underneath here. But I'm gonna take home, so it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna start cleaning it up though by next week for sure. Just so they don't dedicate the growth to the bottom. But yeah, this is the Giggle Gas Pheno 1. Soulfire. Insane, man. What we got next, man? What we got next? This is the 100K, 100,000. Yeah, this is what it is. She looks good. This is the only one I got in a real pot, which is cool because this is what I want with this one. I just want to keep it in this pot, keep it the oregano, experiment. I promise you, I'm not big into huge plants. I like just to grow what I can take care of. I don't like overgrown plants because it's super hard to take care of, man. But yeah, the more plants I got in my garden, the less I got to take care of things. You know what I mean? That's a blessing right there. But she's looking good. She's looking good, man. Let me just check her out. She's looking good. Yeah, she's looking good. I might put some clips on here. I'm not really sure. I kind of just like letting it grow. And these things are flexible, so yeah. Let's take a look at her over here. She looks good. She looks good. I love how she's doing. Yeah, the 100K looks good. This is from Exotic Genetics. Looking real good. All right, on to the next. Flitter glitter, baby. Flitter glitter. This is from Exotic Genetics also. Damn, I love the way she looks. She got super bushy. Jeez, man, that's crazy. Got a bunch of clones in here. Every time I see this, the bushy inside, I say, oh, Lucky me, I got a bunch of new clones. No, for real, man. She's looking good. She's looking good, man. She got split a few times and just went bush crazy on me. And I had to put this cage around. I had to dig a whole big trench, man, like 3 feet deep. Put this cage around it because there were so many gophers making all these mounds and stuff. But luckily, nothing happened because, you know, it's still kind of fresh, so the roots didn't get too crazy out. But man, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Next time, before I plant in the ground, I'm gonna put a cage in the bottom just so I don't have to worry about that. But this cage goes like 2 to 3 feet around. As you can see, it sticks up. So this is a big chicken wire. This was hard to put in, Loki. But yeah, man, she's dope. She is dope. It's that Flitter glitter. These mints, I got all these mints surrounding it. These little mints right here. She's looking good. Flitter glitter. She's the one who has the most dang smell in her right now. It's crazy. It's already starting to stink back here, which is cool. You know what I mean? But on to the next, on to the next. What we got right here? I want to say this is Poppin' Fresh. Poppin' Fresh by Exotic Genetics. Check her out. Damn. Damn. Yeah. Go ahead and let that middle breathe. Yeah. Go and get that sun. The good old Cali sun. Fuck yeah. Yeah, all these plants are getting bushy, even at the bottom. Definitely gonna have to clean all this up. But I'm just happy they're healthy. You know, we're only in the beginning stages, so it's good as long as she's healthy. Damn, fucking cottonmouth. As long as she's healthy, it's good. Yeah, she looks sick. Yeah, she looks beautiful. Yeah, that middle's gonna go up. That middle's gonna go up. Check her out. She the smallest one? Oh no, she's probably the same size as the one in the bucket in a sense. But like I said, I don't care about the size. As long as I can take care of it, cool. Cool. Alright, on to the next, Damn, what is this one? That one says Dips. Yep, it's Dips. Dips from Exotic Genetics. Check her out, man. She looks fucking nice, man. Look at her in her glory. Yeah, she looks good. She looks good. Woo. Yeah, she look right. She look right. What y'all think, man? She look good? I need to go ahead and tell you guys the crosses, but I haven't looked at the seed boxes in a minute. I know this is an Oreo cross with something, but another thing, I haven't seen nobody online grow exotic genetics outside or Soulfire plants outside. And if they have, let me know. Shoot me their channel. I would love to see how they look. I've only seen like indoor grows, but and not necessarily these strains. I don't even think I've seen any of these strains being grown. But yeah, this is the dips. She looks clean. She looks clean. On to the next. On to the next. Last but not least. Oh yeah, last. We got the Giggle Gas Pheno 2. She looks insane. She looks insane. Looks insane. Looks insane. Fucking bird shit. Yeah. She looks good. Let's open her up a little bit. Let's open her up a little bit. Let's go ahead and open her up. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. These plants definitely need a little cleaning, but that's nothing. It's that Giggle Gas. Both Giggle Gases look good. Both Giggle Gases look real good. A lot of lower growth back here, man. Perfect size clone right here. Shit, this could be a clone. It could all be clones, right? But yeah, man, I'm excited. And I appreciate everybody showing love, man. That means the world to me. Honestly does. Appreciate all the growings. We on this journey. So far, so good, right? So far, so good. Let's take a look at her from this angle real quick. Yeah, she's looking good. She's looking good. All right, growmies. On my growmies out there, checking in, checking out. Ifyouonlygrew, peace and love.